Hello CAD and AVA lovers, welcome back to my channel CAD and AVA. Well, today I'm going to share you the video tutorial about how to convert AutoCAD 2D drawings to 3D model in Solidworks. As you guys know, many of CAD designers convert 2D drawing to 3D model in any software or applications by revering in the dimension of your drawing from files like DWG, DXF or other formats. And of course, it's really quite hard to convert 2D drawings to 3D model because you have to switch the application in your computer every time you look in the drawings, especially for the detailed dimensions and or the profile itself. Even sometimes you have to try to print the drawing, but then again, it's just wasting of paper for sure, and still you find it difficult in converting your 2D drawings to 3D model. But in SolidWorks, it has feature it called 2D to 3D tools. And this feature will allow you to import your DXF and DWG files as a sketch in your part. Let's start it. So the first thing you have to do is you have to open DWG or DXF files from AutoCAD, for example, to SolidWorks. And from the toolbar menu, you just click open. Then I go to desktop because I keep the file in desktop. And then I open this DWG file from AutoCAD, then click open. And next, import to a new part as 2D sketch. Keep it like this, then click next. And as a beginner, keep it everything like this as it is, then click next again, then click finish. And the dialog box will come in, just put yes. Now the original file from DWG, it's coming to the SolidWorks sketch. So what I have to do is I want to keep the original file as it is. I don't want to modify it. It is recommended. I suggest like this. And what will I do next is I create a new sketch in the SolidWorks. I select the front plane. And then what we have to do is we have to convert it like a copy, the sketch from the original to the SolidWorks sketch. And don't forget to copy as well the axis of revolution or revolve. And click convert. See, you will have a new sketch in the SolidWorks from the original sketch that we converted from the WG files. And then I select this line as a axis of rotations and select the for constructions. Don't forget to remove it, this one. This is redundance. Then click OK and then exit from the sketch. In order to avoid any confusions, you have to hide the original sketch. We call it model here. Just right click and you will see hide icon, just click hide. And then this is the sketch that we converted from the original files. Then we will make a 3D model from 2D sketch. Just go to the feature and click revolve. Select the axis and then yes. Then you will have 3D model from 2D sketch. It's easily and faster. We go back again to create the hole, the bolt holes. You just select the face of the flange here as a sketch. And we will convert it. And then the next steps is to create the bolt holes in this flange, and how we have to show the original sketch by right click in the model sketch and show it again. We create the bolt hole from the front plane with the same way. We have to select this line and copy or convert entities. We trim this one. Okay, and this flange will have 8 bolt hole typical. And now we select this line as axis of rotations or revolutions and keep it as a construction line. Then exit from sketch. And again, to avoid any confusions, you have to hide this original sketch. Then go to the feature to make the bolt hole by selecting the axis of rotations. Yes. Now we have 1 bolt hole, and we will have 8 typical bolt hole. So just select the circular pattern from here. You can select this surface as a axis of rotations and put equal spacing. We will have 8 and click the feature itself. Okay, now we have the flanges. We have a flange here, complete with the bolt hole itself. That's all the tutorial for today, and thank you for watching. And if you like this video, please subscribe and please let me know if you have any comment. Thank you.